Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your pending transaction on Coinjar. So in order to fix pending transaction on Coinjar, first thing first, you'll have to log in into your Coinjar account. And once you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page. Now due to some security concern, the screen won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. So make sure to follow the instruction as guided. Now if you've just ended the transaction and it shows as not confirmed and pending, then it's normal. So sometimes it takes time for the transaction to get confirmed, and depending on the fees you've selected, it must take about, so you can just wait for some hours, so you can just wait for some times. If you're unable to fix it, then you can just simply cancel the transaction and redo the transaction. That might be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then contacting the support team would be a convenient way. So that's how you can fix your pending transaction on Coinjar. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.